my hands are always freezing in the winter, and it's the number one thing. So I have to make sure I get some good gloves. Now I've upgraded. So here we have heated gloves. Yes, there's batteries in these, and they actually heat up. You can see here how they look. Pretty awesome. You can see the finger and the thumb also do have touch on it. So I can touch to wake up my phone, and it does work. I've used them before, and it's nice to have that option because most gloves don't work as well as these. You can see the other side. You can see the button here. I can press the button, choose which heat I want. Just hold it down to start it. I can go on the highest. I'm just going to go on the lowest setting and do it on both gloves because each glove has its own battery. I already feel a little bit of warmth coming through. So my hands get really cold, even in my office here. These are really nice to kind of get your, heat back to how you like it. And outside, it's going to be awesome to go through and be like, yeah, I'm warm. My hands are warm because I got these. So I definitely wanted to show these off. The battery, I'll show you the unboxing to kind of give you an idea. The battery is right here. Here you can go through and see them being opened up and get a close-up of the material. And I can tell you right now, I'm already feeling the warmth on level 1, which is nice. They do also have a little connector, so you connect both of them together. The battery charger has 2 outlets at once, so you can go through and plug both batteries in off of one outlet charge, which is cool. And they're made of good material, strong. I got large, and I think they're perfect. And I'm 6'2", just to give you an idea, but they fit perfect. I'm glad I didn't go any higher on the size. I don't think they would have fit as well. So they're nice and, decent tightness. They're a little long because they have the battery, which is going to be kind of like under your, a little lower than your wrist. They're going to be here. You really don't even notice it unless you're thinking about it. And it's nice and warm at 1. I like these, so I should be using them outside, but I might be using them when it's cold inside as well. Now if I could just find something that warms up the tip of my nose. But yeah, definitely do recommend these if you're looking for gloves that are high quality, long lasting. You're looking at a 3000 milliamp battery, which is great. And yeah, like I said, low for me is good enough. I'm sure other people may tune it up a bit. Definitely do recommend them.